Hi everybody, welcome to Pink K-Pop Academy and welcome to the 30-day beginner program. It is awesome to have you here with us today. So if you haven't already, do go check out the intro video, which is going to explain all of the different bits and pieces that are going to be happening over the month. But if you've already done that, this is your stretching video. So you're going to use this video for day 1 and day 2. And then after that, there'll be a new warm-up video that will replace this one, okay? So today I'm going to go through all the stretches and I'm going to be explaining them a little bit so that you know what's happening when they come up in the later video, because I won't be doing any explanation then, okay? So to start with, just stand however is comfortable for you. We're going to stretch out the neck first. So bring up your hand and just tilt your head to the side and very gently put some pressure so you can feel a stretch along here, okay? Very gently. Okay. Now we swap over to the other side. Again, very gently, just feeling the stretch along the side of the neck there, down to the shoulder. Okay, now you're going to bring the head down for me. Keeping it nice and gentle, okay? Take the shoulders back, don't let them come forward. Bring the head up for me. Some people like to put their hands underneath their chin, but don't push up, okay? It's very gentle, okay? Just stretching the front of the neck. Okay. Now, again, very gently, you're gonna make a circle, just roll the head, but don't be whipping it around, okay? Very gently rolling the head around in a circle. You don't want it to get floppy or too fast or it'll hurt, okay? And then go the other way, nice and gentle. Nice and gentle, keep the shoulders down from the ears. Okay, now you're gonna lift the shoulders up and roll them back. Okay, just keep rolling those shoulders, loosen up those joints and the muscles. Yeah. Try and make big circles as you can with your shoulders. Okay, now we're gonna do the same forwards. Okay, nice big circles with the shoulders. That's it. Okay, now we're going to do the arms, so make sure there's nothing behind you that you're going to smack into. I'm just going to step forward a bit. Okay, and big circles with the arms going back. Okay, nice long straight arms, big circles. Okay, now we're going to bring it forwards. Again, nice big circles. Okay, that's it. Okay. Now you're going to take one arm, I'm taking the right arm first, bring it across the body and hold it with the left arm, okay? And then just very gently pull, so you should be feeling a stretch in the back of the shoulder there, okay? Don't twist and turn your body, keep your body facing the front, you're just trying to pull the shoulder, okay? And now on the other side, bring your arms up, really get them ready, and then pull across, keep the body straight to the front. Just stretching the shoulder. Okay, that's it. Good stretch there. Now, you're going to bring up one arm at the elbow, okay, and just hold it there in place. So you're just putting, again, gentle pressure to stretch it, and you're pushing the elbow arm against the hand for some resistance. You want to keep the hand kind of in the middle of your back. You don't want to be pulling the elbow downwards. You're just the resistance stretch there, okay? Okay. Now, spread the feet a little bit for me. You're going to do a big reach over, big stretch over. Now, I don't want you to rest your arm on your knee or anything like that. If you want to put the other arm across to get it out of the way, give it something to do. Okay, this one's hard. Breathe. Okay, and then bring it back up, and we're going to do the other elbow, okay? The elbow, grab a bit of resistance there. Oh, I'm really feeling this today. Ooh, must be something tight in my shoulder. Ooh. Okay, we're going to do the same thing now. Big stretch to the other side, ready? So other arm across and big reach there. Okay, and breathe. Okay, and bring her back up. Now, give me a reach all the way up, bring the hands all the way up, even you can't see my fingertips, but stretch out the fingertips as well. Everything up on your toes, big stretch all the way up. Ooh. And then legs apart, bring it all the way down, all the way down, all the way down, all the way down. It's okay if you can't get all the way to the floor, just go as far as you can, okay? If you can't go all the way to the floor, you can put your hands on your legs to give yourself some support. Don't just hang in the air. Okay. Now, you're going to just bring it over to the left foot for me. Okay. And then we're going over to the right foot. Okay, keep this nice and gentle as well, okay? You don't have to push yourself past what's a comfortable stretch for you, okay? It should be pulling, but it shouldn't be like painful. Okay, we bring it up. Now, bend the knees out for me. Okay, we're just going to drop in the center here for a second. Okay, and your hands are going to come just above your knees, okay, and you're pushing outwards. Okay, so you're going to be feeling a good stretch in the inner thighs there, right? Now, give me a twist to one side. Okay, so you're really feeling one side of the groin muscles pulling out, stretching out. And go over the other side. Good stretch there. Yeah, okay. Now, come up and face the side for me, give me a lunge. Okay, now I want you to keep the back foot on the ground, okay? I don't want you lifting up. Keep the back foot on the ground and push forward there with that knee. Okay, I'm just putting my hands on my hips to give them somewhere to go. Okay, keep the body up nice and tall. Okay. Now we're gonna pop down to the side. Okay, good side stretch there. If you're one of those really flexible people that can get the full foot on the ground, feel free to do that. Otherwise, just stretch out this leg long. This is the one we're stretching. And use your hands to steady yourself. If you don't steady yourself, you're putting extra pressure on the leg. Doesn't need to be there, okay? So steady yourself there with the hands. Okay, feel a good stretch there. Okay, swap it over to the other side. You might need to readjust your stance if you don't have as much width. Space beside you here. Okay, good stretch in the leg there. And if you feel like some variety, you can also point and flex the toe for some extra stretch. Okay, now we're going to go back up into a lunge on the other side now. So again, keep that back foot on the ground. Stretching out the back of the leg there. Okay, if you need more stretch, step it back, but keep the foot on the ground, please. Okay, that's it. Now, okay, we're going to sit down on the ground. Okay, I'm going to do my best to stay in frame. So one of your legs is going to stay long. We're going to bring up the right leg first. Just cross it over and roll the ankle in one direction. Okay, and roll it in the other direction. Okay. Now you're going to just pop that knee up so the foot is on the ground. And your opposite arm, so this is my right knee is up, so my left arm is coming to the other side, and we're just twisting around. Okay. I have a radiator behind me, which is preventing me from twisting, so I'm just going to scoot forward a little bit. There we go. Now, that's it. And this shouldn't hurt your back, okay? Just a gentle twist, okay? Now let's swap that over. You take the other foot and you're going to just roll that ankle as well. Okay? Don't mind the background noise. My dog has just seen me through the window and she's demanding to be let in. But that's okay. I'll get her in a minute. Okay, so knee up. So now that's the left knee. So here comes the right arm over and that gentle twist to the side, yeah? Again, I'm just going to scoot forward. Oh. Gentle twist. Keep the body nice and tall as well, don't something in, okay? Now, shake out those legs. Stand up. And there you go. So that's the stretch that I do with my students before every class. I hope it's a good stretch for you guys. If you need a more in-depth stretch, there is another older video on this channel called Stretching Level 2, I think it is, or Stretching No Audio, and that'll have even deeper stretches if you need a little bit more than what we're doing here today. But this should be fine for your beginner training, okay? So well done on doing this one, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!